Hôm nay, chúng ta tạo ra viên đá lớn nhất.
Quality control begins the moment the raw silica arrives at our facility.
Độ tinh khiết đạt chuẩn. Pour the ingredients into the mixing funnel. Giữ ổn định dưới ngưỡng giới hạn.
Inside, microplasma torches heat the raw crystal powder to 20,000 degrees, creating the ion.
Ensure all calibration steps are finalized before the temperature exceeds the safety threshold. Stabilize the arcs. Bring power to full capacity.
Look at the magnetic field stabilizers surrounding the chamber. We're adjusting the superconducting coils to contain that plasma turbulence. We closely monitor the alloy composition here to ensure we meet the density goals for the artificial gemstones. Extreme pressure realigns molecular structure, forming gemstone lattice patterns.
Notice how the molecular bonds are forming these symmetrical repeating patterns during the compression phase.
We utilize advanced optimization algorithms to refine the facet geometry, ensuring maximum refractive brilliance. Begin transport sequence. Consignment 42 is proceeding to export hangars now. Here at this facility, we manufacture artificial giant gemstones unlike anything found in nature. Extreme ionization dissolves impurities and restructures molecules, creating a molten crystal slurry. The molten crystal now enters the high-pressure presses, simulating Earth core conditions.